Okay, coming into question number 6 in classwork number 9. I believe this question is related to classwork number 8 because it's simple. Okay, we have 3 contours here. I'm gonna choose the front because we have 3 contours here, while here we have many. So we're gonna choose the front. Also, we have parallel dash lines here, which means there is an empty or an extrude cut inside. But what is the shape of this parallel dash line? We can see it in the next area, which is rectangle. So from the top we can see this extrude cut, which is a rectangle. Also we have an extrude cut here, which is here. So it's easy, inshallah. So new part. Okay, I'm gonna make my origin point in the center of these 2 circles. So circle number 1, circle number 2, and because it's symmetric, so I can use the center lines, or you can draw it by using mirror. I like mirror because it saves many time. So from this area, or sorry, smart dimension, this would be 24, the smaller one. The bigger one would be 50. Then I'm gonna draw a line from here. Okay, then up, then go left, then into the middle. I'm gonna draw also another line here. Okay, so the length between this line and this line is 60. Okay, so, and smart dimension, the length between this line and this line is 45, and this length is 14, and the length here is 45, and finally the length between this line and this line is 15. So we made the right side, then choose mirror and make a window for the right side, then mirror about the center line and check. Okay, very simple and very easy. Now we have feature extrude. So what is the extrude of this circle? Very easy. The same extension here is the same extension. So what is the length of this area? 70. Is it mid plane? If we draw a center line, imagination center line here horizontally, so I'm gonna choose mid plane, then choose this area, I'll make it 70, then check. Okay, now how about the middle area, this area? How about this area? Okay, if we take this this point as independent point and we go down, we will find a line. But this line, okay, even if you see a cut for this line, just go through this space, then go back. Okay, for this line we can see that this area. Okay, so always see the line, but if you see it cut it and we have the same line in the other area, so just imagine that this line is continued. So the length of this line is how much? We have the total length is 60, and we have -5 and -5 here, so 60 minus 10, which is 50. Okay, so this area, the middle area, has an extrude, okay, for this area and this area, mid plane, and we'll make it 50. Check. Okay, Now the last one will be 60, obviously. So extrude for this area and this area, mid-plane 60. Then check. Okay, this is the okay. Okay, now we have an extrude cut. We have an extrude cut. And the right, well, I'm gonna go from the front, normal 2. I'm gonna draw this rectangle, but make it long rectangle. Okay, make it long. Make it long. Okay. The most important thing here is the length here, which is 18. So the length between this line and this line is 18. And also we have this space from this dimension from this here. We don't have it here, but we have it in the opposite side, which is, as you can see, 7. So the length between here and here is the same. It is from here to here, which is 7, which is for the same extension, which is 7. So smart dimension between this line and this edge, the length will be here 7. Okay, this blue line, we'll keep it as it is. Now we have this rectangle, feature, extrude cut, also mid-plane, because if we make a imagination center line, so it's extrude mid-plane. I'm gonna make it mid-plane, and the length of this extrude cut is 30. Okay, it's 30. Then check. See? So this is the extrude here. Now I'm gonna make the mirror for this cut. Mirror about the front or the top or the right. Obviously it's about the right. Then check. And this is the idea of this question. If I want to check, so check the front with the front and check the top with the top. Okay, we can see it's identical. After that we have to make it isometric and make it color as it is. And this is the question number 6. Okay, let's go to question number 7.